Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. Dash was the first satyagrahi of individual satyagraha. Vinoba Bhave. The nationwide movement of 1942 is also called Dash. August Kranti. In November 1943, Japan conquered Dash Islands and handed them over to Azad Hind government. Andaman and Nicobar. Explain the following statements with reasons. In November 1939, provincial ministers of Indian National Congress gave their resignations. The Second World War began in Europe in 1939. The then Viceroy Lord Linlithgow declared that India has joined the war on the side of the British. England claimed that it is fighting to save democracy in Europe. The Indian National Congress demanded that if the claim was true, then England should immediately grant freedom to India. England refused to fulfill this demand, and therefore the provincial ministers of Indian National Congress resigned in November 1939. The Indian National Army had to lay down their arms. In adverse circumstances, soldiers of Indian National Army were dedicatedly fighting. But in the same period, Japan accepted defeat. On 18 August 1945, Subhash Chandra Bose died in a plane accident. On this background, the soldiers of Indian National Army had to lay down their arms. The parallel government became a source of inspiration to the people. In Satara district of Maharashtra in 1942, Kranti Singh Nana Patil brought an end to the British government and established parallel government. At Kundal, under the leadership of Krantiagrani GD alias Bapu Lad, Tufan Sena was established. Through its medium, collection of taxes, maintenance of law and order, punishment to criminals, such work was done by the parallel government. People started accepting the verdict passed by the People's Court appointed by the parallel government. Opposition to money lenders, prohibition on liquor, spread of literacy, opposition to caste distinctions, many such constructive work was done by this government. Due to it, the parallel government became a source of inspiration for the public. Complete the following table. Organization and founder. Forward block Subhash Chandra Bose. Indian Independence League Rash Bihari Bose. Tufan Sena Krantiagrani GD alias Bapu Lad. Answer the following questions in brief. How do you find the contribution of Shirish Kumar to be inspirational? Under the leadership of Shirish Kumar, the school children took out a procession holding the tricolor flag at Nandurbar. Vande Mataram was the slogan given to them. The police fired on them. In the firing, Shirish Kumar and many other children became martyrs. His sacrifice gives inspiration to us to do work for the society and country. Gaining independence is no longer our objective, but keeping the environment clean, maintaining unity among people, and collectively solving problems is our responsibility. As all this is equally challenging, we get inspiration from the courage and determination of Shirish Kumar. Shirish Kumar inspires us to do our work fearlessly without being a victim of injustice and oppression. He also inspires us to make sacrifices, have faith in our work, and have determination. Why did the British Prime Minister send Sir Stafford Cripps to India? During the Second World War, England supported America against Japan. The Japanese army reached the eastern borders of India. The British realized that if Japan attacks India, then they will need cooperation from the Indians. Hence, the British Prime Minister Winston Churchill sent Sir Stafford Cripps to India. What kind of reaction was seen during the spread of news of arrest of main leaders of the Indian National Congress? Quit India resolution moved by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was passed on 8 August with an overwhelming majority. On the same night, the leaders of the Indian National Congress were arrested. The news of these arrests aroused strong resentment. The angry people took out processions, tried to take control of government offices, and attacked jails, police stations, and railway stations. School children took out processions and shouted slogan Vande Mataram. Even though The police resorted to lathi charge and firing. People were not afraid. The young and old showed determination and courage.